Hi everybody, welcome to Using Your Graphing Calculator in Math 140. I'm Fred Feldon. Thanks for watching. I'm going to assume that you already know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide and all the rest of the basics. And in this video we'll focus on displaying the graph of a function. It's a four-step process and I'll walk you through it. First, you need to enter the equation and set your viewing window and then display the graph. Depending on what you see, you may want to reset the viewing window. Here's a graphing calculator. I've got it at the home screen. You can see the blinking cursor in the top left-hand corner. I'm using a TI-84 Plus Silver Edition, but any model from Texas Instruments, Sharp, Casio, HP, etc. will do for this class. I'll hit the function key F1, which says y equals, and if there were any equations already there, you would clear them. Let's just say I want to graph the equation y equals 2x minus 1. I'll hit the x variable key and then the other numbers and signs. And let's say I don't know what the graph looks like. I typically start by hitting the zoom key, F3, and choosing number 6. The standard viewing window is minus 10 to 10 on the x-axis and minus 10 to 10 on the y-axis, but your window may vary. And there it is. I've got the graph of a typical function displayed right there in the viewing window. But for some reason, let's say you want to change the viewing window. I'll hit F2, the window key, and let's say I want to go from, minus 2 to 4 on the x-axis with a tick mark every 1/4 of a unit. And on the y-axis, let's go from negative 15 to positive 15 with a tick mark every 2 units. Notice how the graph looks completely different. It's slanted much less so. It's not as steep. But the mathematics is all the same. The intercepts, the maximum, the minimum, the zeros. Let's go back to the standard viewing window. And if you'll look carefully, you'll notice that the length of 1 unit on the x-axis is a little different than the length of 1 unit on the y-axis. You can fix that by going back to the zoom menu and choosing number 5. That'll square up the units. It'll make the lengths of 1 unit the same on both axes, and it'll give you perhaps a more true picture of what the graph really looks like. Okay, that should get you started. I want to thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.